Drinking aloe vera juice provides a wide range of health-promoting effects, owing primarily to its ultra-hydrating and highly anti-inflammatory abilities. Here are 6 reasons why you need to drink aloe vera juice. Number 1. Aloe vera juice aids digestion. The next time you're faced with digestive issues, consider sipping some aloe vera juice. Much like aloe vera soothes the skin, the anti-inflammatory plant also has a soothing effect on the stomach lining and intestines, helping with such issues as heartburn, constipation, and a leaky gut. Aloe vera has also been shown to increase good bacteria in the gut. Number 2. Aloe vera boosts the immune system. Consuming aloe vera juice can also give your immune system a boost. When you incorporate aloe vera juice into your diet, you benefit from the antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that exist in the plant's gel, all helping to strengthen the immune system. Number 3. Betters heart health. There are a number of ways that aloe vera betters heart health. For one, the plant's polyphenols can help to prevent heart disease. Additionally, consumption of aloe vera juice lowers cholesterol levels and high blood pressure and improves blood circulation in the body. Number 4. Excellent for hair and skin. Aloe vera juice helps maintain smooth, radiant skin and promotes hair growth. Its topical application can relieve from superficial burns and scars. It can be used as a moisturizing agent for the skin as well as the scalp. Number 5. Reduce inflammation. Aloe vera juice contains 12 substances which can slow down or inhibit inflammation, without any side effects. Some people say that drinking aloe vera juice helps with their stiff, swollen or painful joints. Number 6. Reduces stress. It's not just physical benefits that you can reap by drinking aloe vera juice, but mental benefits as well. Aloe vera is an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress. Incorporating it into your diet can balance your mood, calm your nerves, and reduce your overall stress levels.
Thanks for watching our video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.